Good morning to all. Today I am going to teach about second BSc ecological niche. First, definitions of niche. Niche can be defined as the role a particular species plays in an ecosystem. It is essentially the way how an organism lives and survives. It is fundamentally the study of the interaction and dependency of living organism with their physical environment. Next is niche width. The niche width of an organism refers to a theoretical range of conditions that a species could inhabit and successfully survive and reproduce with no competition. The niche width is defined as the parameters of this range which are determined by biotic and abiotic factors such as appropriate food sources and suitable climate respectively. The niche width often differs from the area that a species actually inhabits with the area a species actually persists in referred to as its realized niche width. This is due to interspecific competition with other species within their ecosystem and other biotic and abiotic limiting factors. A species realized niche is usually much narrower than its theoretical niche width as it is forced to adapt its niche around superior competing species. Next is niche overlap. Niche overlap occurs when two organismic units use the same resources or other environmental variables. In Hutchinson's terminology, each n-dimensional hypervolume includes part of the other or some points in the two sets that constitute their realized niches are identical. Overlap is complete when two organismic units have identical niches. There is no overlap if two niches are completely disparate. Usually, niches overlap only partially with some resources being shared and others being used exclusively by each organismic unit. Next is fundamental and realized niche. In 1957, G. Evelyn Hutchinson described two forms of niche. One is fundamental niche, second one is realized niche. Both fundamental and realized niches refers to the environmental position that species occupy in an ecosystem. Fundamental niche represents all the environmental conditions where a species is able to live, and the realized niche is where the species actually lives. Other names for these niches are pre-competitive and post-competitive. In a fundamental niche, an organism can take advantage of all the biotic and abiotic factors in an ecosystem without competition from other species or pressure from predators. This niche narrow when other organisms arrive and there is competition for food and breeding partners, or when predators start hunting in the area, the organism will survive if it adapt to the new conditions of its realized niche. This is the about ecological niche. Thank you.